Welcome back to GuanJing Method. My name is Ting Ting, and today we are going through a flow that I find the most supportive and effective for me when I'm moving through a lot of anxiety and stress. So without further ado, let's begin. Starting off with an easy seat, making sure that your spine is reaching up towards the sky. You feel relaxed in your pelvis. And let's place both hands on the lower belly, right underneath the belly button. Relax the elbows down the back, relax the shoulder blades down, close the eyes, close the mouth. And taking a breath here, just noticing where in the body you might be holding on to that stress and tension. Allowing yourself to relax the space between the eyebrows, the forehead, the cheeks. Intentionally relaxing the jaw. And with the hands by the low belly, feeling the warmth of the hands. And with your next inhale, sending a deep breath in, down into the lower half of the body, down into the space of your hands as you inhale. And as you exhale, very gentle pelvic muscular contraction guides the breath out. The inhale, you send the breath down into the lower belly. And the exhale, a very gentle pelvic muscular contraction guides the breath out. Last time here, inhaling, sending the breath down, filling into the lower belly, feeling the sit bones expanding, breathing fresh vitality in the basin of the pelvic floor. And exhale out through the nose. Very nice. And blinking the eyes open, begin to shake your head out, hands out, not your head yet. We're shaking your hands out, and as you inhale, sending the full breath in through the body. And as you exhale, deep sigh out the mouth. Releasing stagnation, releasing frustration. Inhale, deep breath, filling up into the very top of the lungs, side of the lungs, back of the lungs. And exhale, shaking it out through the fingertips. We hold a lot of tension in our lungs, so taking an inhale into the lungs, into the back ribs, the side ribs, and exhale, shaking that out, making sure you get it into the thumbs, flicking the thumbs out, deep inhale, last time here. And exhale, very, very nice. And relaxing that. From here, we'll take one leg out. This movement is called waves of tide. And if you have tight hamstrings, you can always bend the knees, making sure that when you reach forward, you're not rounding and bringing more tension into the upper back and the neck. But as you lean forward, you can draw the shoulder away from the ear. So from here, sweeping and reaching, leading from the elbow, sweeping up. The other hand just supports you. And then as you inhale, reach and keep the head relaxed. Shoulder moves away from the ear. Inhale, let this invisible person pull you up. Exhale, twist and lead with the elbow, fold forward, relaxing the head and neck. Reach as far forward as you can. Inhale, chin draws into the chest, release the tension in the neck. Shoulder moves away from the ear, slowly come up. The exhale, we fold forward. And again, you can bend the knee and take the heel and press it away from you. Relax the head and neck. The inhale, chin draws in, shoulder moves away from the ear, breathing into the side of the neck. Exhale, relax the head and neck. Whole back body. You should feel this in the low back, the low ribs. Reaching. Inhale. Now you should feel that stretch in the neck, the shoulders opening, and make sure your palm is really energetically flipping up. The thumb is reaching back in space. Let's do this 3 more times on this side. Exhale, release, fold forward. Inhale, breathing into the neck. Every time you exhale, imagine you're surrendering all that stress and tension from the shoulders, letting it roll off of you as the arm reaches forward. Inhale, take the arm up and back as if someone was pulling your head away from your arm. Last time here, exhale, fold forward. Inhaling. Shoulder moves away from the ear. Beautiful. Coming up. Right, let's switch sides. Taking the other foot, flexing it back. Again, if you need a light bend in the knees, you can bend the knees, and let's reach forward with the elbow, sweeping forward, relax the head and neck. Inhale, shoulder moves away from the ear. And you can even take this hand and energetically pull your neck away. Chin draws into the chest. This shoulder moves up and back. Exhale, sweep, relax the head and neck. Taking that hand, if you want that hand around the head, to bow yourself forward. And then the inhale, imagine someone's pulling you away. Exhale, fold forward, relax the head and neck, chin in. Inhaling, moving up. Beautiful. Exhale, let that stress roll off the body. Exhale. Inhale, shoulder moves away from the ear. Inhale, breathe into the neck. One last time here. Exhale, reach. Inhaling, fold forward, slowly coming up, and then coming on to stand. We're going into a movement called dragon's breath, imagining that the fire, that flame of the low belly is moving up and burning all that stagnation, all that heaviness, all that stress and anxiety up and out of the body. So as we fold forward, we'll take our hands in the inner seams of the legs, roll the flesh out. Inhale, push the hands into the inner thighs, pull the spine long. Inhale, and exhale from the deep pit of the belly. Ha! Big open mouth, relax the hands, relax the head, release, and let the upper body drape over the lower body. A deep bend in the knees so that your belly is resting on your thighs. The inhale, you roll up. Hands on the inner seams of the thighs. The exhale, ha! Imagine what your fiery dragon looks like, burning away any anxiety and stress. Release the head, release the hands. Inhale, rolling up. Exhale, hands on the inner seams of the thighs. Exhaling. Ha! Keep the eyes closed and envision the flame of your dragon burning away anything no longer serving you, anything that you don't want to carry. Inhale here. Exhaling. Ha! One last time, deep breath in, drinking the energy up the center channel of the spine. Relax the head and shoulders. Exhaling. Ha! Inhale, rolling up to stand. Beautiful. And from here, let's take the hands and feet out wide. Just as much as the feet are just a little wider than the width of your hands. Bend deeply into this knee. Reach forward, make big claws. This movement is called combing chi. So we're combing all that stagnation, that stress out of the body. Keep the spine straight. Sweep the hands back. Chin draws in. Exhale, grip on, and imagine you have powerful feline claws to comb that energy up, through, out, and around. Inhale. Exhale, sweep the hands back, palms face up. Land that foot down. Exhale. Inhale, pull and comb up high on the ball of the foot. Inhale, imagine that you're clawing through the body. Sweep the hand down and around. Land that foot. Exhale. Inhale, pull the energy up high on the ball of the feet. Inhale. Exhale, sweep. Nice and low. Inhale, comb that energy through. Imagine these powerful energetic claws combing away anything that is knotted up, anything that is sticky, anything that is heavy, and really utilizing the power of your low body. So as you comb up deep in the knees, rotate the pelvis forward, high on the ball of that back foot, powerful low body. Exhale, feel the stability. So empowering your capability, your resiliency through utilizing the low body. This is how we move through life. And if we're stressed out, we need to have a solid foundation so we feel supported. And the best way we can do this is by supporting ourselves. Inhale, combing it up, out and through. Exhale, sweeping back. Let's do that one more time on each side. Inhale, those energetic, beautiful claws combing through the body. Exhale, down. Last time here. Inhale, combing it through. Exhale, sweeping down. Inhale, comb up to center. And exhale. Let's shake it all out. Shake out your hands. Shake out your feet. Shaking anything loose that we've combed out. Saying, get out of here, stress and anxiety. You don't belong to me. I am a powerful, capable, loving, fun, and abundant human, and you are nothing to me. So shaking it all out. We can jump up and down. We can wiggle out our hands, flinging them. Just maybe even get a little silly with it. Sometimes stress can make us so serious. So let's just get a little silly. We all like, how silly do I look right now? We all get to be a little silly. And then just shaking out your glutes, maybe even moving them side to side. Maybe making some noises. Deep inhale here. Exhale. And then just brushing yourself off as if you were in a little bit of a mess a moment ago and you're like, okay, well, dusting myself off now energetically. Very nice. I hope you feel refreshed, revitalized, and de-stressed. If you would like to have more experiences of fun, flowy movements, check out the GuanJing Method membership, where we have full classes that are anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours long to help you de-stress and ground in this embodied energy. I'll see you in there.